Hello, my name is Cesare Engstrom and I'm the head coach for the girls hockey team here at Hill Murray. I also am a physical education teacher here as well. This is my 14th season coaching for the girls hockey team. I've been in many roles, assistant coach, co-coach, and now this is my first year as head coach for the team. I taught here 10 years ago at Hill Murray as a physical education teacher, and then I went on hiatus to raise 3 of my own kids, and now I'm back to teaching here as well as coaching. I love coaching here at Hill Murray because I'm surrounded by a wonderful, supportive, and mentoring staff and student athlete who love and respect the game and respect who they are and the community that they represent. They come to practice with smiles on their faces and a willingness to want to learn and better themselves as an athlete. It is a very rewarding and enjoyable to continue to watch and to coach this type of student athlete. The question comes up, who can try out for our team, and anybody who is in 7th grade on up is eligible to participate. Hockey is a very exciting and unique sport. It's fast-paced. Minnesota is the state of hockey, and we are blessed to not only have our own girls hockey team, but to have a team that has been continuously successful over the years and has laid some deep roots. Some of our awards and success that we've had over the seasons, we have been the past 14 years consecutively conference champions. We have been Section 4AA champions for the past 8 of the 10 years. At state, we have placed in the top 4 or higher 6 times, with 2 of those times being state champions. We have had multiple girls nominated for the Miss Hockey and the Senior Goalie as a semifinalist or finalist, and we've also had a Miss Hockey winner, Hannah Brandt, who is also an Olympic gold medalist and is also on our coaching staff. Our girls are also very dedicated to their studies and have earned all academic, both individually and team awards. They have been section academic champs 3 times and have also won the overall AA academic champs for the whole state. When asked what my philosophy is, I view myself as a teacher, a competitor, and a mentor. I want to teach the girls as much as I know to help them become better hockey players, not just players, but also all around physically, mentally, and nutritionally sound athletes. I want to be able to reach all of them, no matter what skill level they have. I want to be able to challenge them to compete at all times and to make it worth their while and to push themselves and to want to do better. I want to be a role model for them, someone they can trust, someone they can believe in to help reach their goals, both as an athlete, a student, and most importantly, as an individual. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at any time.